Come test drive the 2023 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, retractable cargo cover, 4-wheel disc brakes, external ground lighting, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.